What you have here is a dirty little box of 2017 Elite Extra Edition Baseball. 2 autos, 2 mems, plus a bonus auto or mem. I don't know why these boxes came in so dirty, but it is making my poor little makeshift filming center really dirty. And I've got a lot of stuff to open. Because there was a sale, and when there's a sale, I buy cards. And open cards on many videos. Let's see if I can do this. That helped a little bit. I'm a little OCD, so it's kind of make this mess is gonna make me crazy. All right, this will be fast and painless. Well, hopefully painless. Hopefully it'll be joyful. There's Helio to $9.99. Spencer Howard parallel to 200. Mason House autograph on card. Not bad. Dylan Peters dual jersey to $2.99 and Nick Allen to $9.99. Quentin Holmes. Oh Lord. Ricardo Ibar to 150. Robert Poisson. Robert. Not bad. Quad relic with some pinstripes to $2.99. And Hernandez. Last card. It is a dual relic of Jomar Reyes. Maybe it's Omar? Could just be Omar. J could be silent. To $2.99. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another box soon.